What's up, you guys? It is pool party and vacation time, which means lots of swimsuits. Here's a tip on how to get more bang for your buck that will not only save you money, but will actually save you space when you're packing for all those travel adventures. So what you want to do is you want to get 2 bikinis, okay? Now, if you're not into showing your midsection, you can always get tankinis. So what you want to do is get one in a print, and then look at that print and pick up a solid and one of these colors. So these 2 suits are actually going to make 4 looks. Here's what I'm talking about. Another tip when you're going to mix and match is you most likely will find more options from the actual designer's website. These are both birdsong because when these designers make the whole collection, you're going to find mix and match pieces that actually work together, that are supposed to work together, which means you're going to get more looks and save space while packing. Happy summer, you guys.